Hi, my name is Chase Bennett. Um, the images that I chose were the group of Indians around a fire. Um, right here is the white painting, and on the right is the Debray engraving. Um, the first question is, what does this image tell us about how Europeans viewed Native Americans, how they in Native American bodies? Um, I guess specifically from the painting. Um, you could see where the Native Americans only really wore clothing that covered up their like private parts. I guess you would say. Um, they wore very minimum clothing in this painting, and you can see in more of the painting, less in the engraving, that both men and women wore jewelry, and you can see some of the men have headdresses on and stuff. Um, the second question is about how Native Americans viewed their own bodies. Native Americans didn't really find it that big of a deal that they wore such less clothing than the Europeans did. Um, they saw it as sufficient, and they were obviously both okay with how men and women both wore jewelry to this ceremony or worshiping of the gods at this fire, to whatever which this is. Uh, and then the third question is, what might the painting or engraving have to do with citizenship in like today's America? And I see it as like both men and women are at this little ceremony or worshiping at this like fire, um, and I guess you would say like I guess you can say it compares to now because nowadays in today's world, the in like America and Europe and throughout the world, men and women are allowed to go to worships and they're allowed to go to ceremonies and just like that, all the way back to Native American times, men and women were involved in the worship or whatever to which this fire is going on and representing. Um, that's it. Thank you.